Alright, so I believe we're all masters at this now, and I'm gonna go over the last few examples that you should know, and then that's going to be wrapping up for our, well, a good while of our genetic, and we're gonna move on to another type of genetic stuff that's more identifying of patterns in the past and your ancestors. So we're gonna be looking at pedigrees basically, but for now we're going to be looking at these two questions. So this is a polygenic, if you can't tell, and that's a lethal trait. So let's start. List the phenotypic ratio. So we're looking at the phenotypes of all the potential offspring for. Okay, so this is a teeth, obviously, genotype AABBCC. Okay, why is it like a pen? Okay, we're gonna change it to a pencil, and let me clean all that up. So AABBCC. So what possible genes can they pass on? They can pass on a big A, because that's the only possible variation here. They can only pass on a big B. However, they can pass on a big C or a small c. So the possible gametes are A, B, C, or A, B, and small c. These are the possible gametes. And when you cross it with this one, AABBCC, it can pass a big A only, it can pass a small b only, it can pass this, a small c. So A, B, C. It's the only possible gamete that they could pass. So now this is a 1/2 cross, if you even want to draw it in a square, which I will do for you. You know what, why don't we put more on the top? So A, B, C, A, B, C, and we're gonna all go over with A, B, C. So this is gonna be big A, big B, big C, small c. This is gonna be big A, big B, small b. Wait, how did I guess big B here? Hold the hell up. Hold the hell up. Okay, so this was big B, small b, big C, small c. Big A, big B, small b, small c, small c. So yes, list the phenotypical ratio. Okay, so the question wasn't full, but let me check the entire question. So the normal O big. Okay, so let me write it here. Let me switch it back. This is 6 teeth. 6 teeth. So for every capital letter, it's basically 1 teeth. So let's see. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 teeth. And this is going to be 1, 2, 3 teeth. So the offspring could have 4 teeth or 3 teeth. And we're done. So that is a polygenic inheritance. So I know I didn't include a lot of examples in the other videos, so I've listed a lot of stuff in the description, and I want you all to check it out yourself, because I do encourage that. I'm gonna give you all a test on it, so remember, the test is coming up soon. I plan on giving you a quiz, but I don't know. Okay, let's read. Guinea pigs have curly or straight hair. The curly gene is recessive. Pigs can also have a condition called bow-legged, okay, where their legs curve noticeably outward. Bow-leggedness is dominant lethal allele trait if an individual inherits 2 copies of it. So when they inherit 2 copies of it, it's a lethal. Show the cross between a curly wait a minute. Okay, so that's right. So a curly hair. Let's see. Curly is recessive, so it's going to be the let statement, guys, never forget. Let's see, curly, why don't we use R? Let R be straight hair and let R be curly hair. So pick the letter where you can distinguish the capital and little. So let B be be bow-legged, and let B be non-bow-legged. So now we have the let statement. Let's look at our parents. So we have a curly bow-leg here. So an R, and B. So this well, it's a lethal trait. So they have a lethal trait, but however, they're still able to live to pass it on. So we're gonna identify the gamete first. So this one can only pass on R or B. RB. This is the only possible combination. You gotta look at the combination. That is, and a heterozygote. So heterozygote. So it has a capital R and a small r. That is also bow-legged. Wow. Expect to be normal with curly. Wait a minute. That's. Wait, am I reading it wrong? Or what's going on? Wait, both of them will die. It's a dominant lethal. Wait a. Wow. So, okay, whatever. So let's do the cross, whatever. RB crosses with R and capital B. So this is going to become big R, big B, small b, also big B. So this is going to be R, B. So they asked us normal with curly hair. Curly was recessive. Okay, so there's going to be, now let's do the answer. There will be, they cannot produce a single normal guinea pig. Wow, why am I spelling that wrong? However, they are able to, they have a 50% chance of producing an offspring that has curly hair. So we just did our cross, and always remember, you don't have to always list out the genotype or phenotype ratio. You just gotta answer the question. That's your main point. You always wanna answer the question. And yeah, short lesson today, and I just want to congrats all of you on finishing a majority part of genetics. We're going to have our test in 3 days, 2 days, something like that. But yeah, congrats.